Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to enroll in free social media marketing courses on Udemy. So I've got this course in front of me, and this is about social media marketing strategy. It's got some pretty decent reviews, as well over 17,000 students as well. And right now I'm getting a 90% off. So yeah, the course is originally say $130 and I'm just getting it for 30, but I want it to be absolutely free for me. So what I do is I go to this website which is called Udemy. Okay, so this is a website which provides discount coupons to you, and using those you could actually enroll for free courses. Now what you do is you just select search in here. This would direct you to the search result page. Just copy the name of the course and search if it is available for you or not. Okay, so yes, we are lucky right now. This is available for us. Do remember that not all the times would you have a lot of coupons available. Yes, because some expire, of course, like any coupons you've used in physical life. These coupons will also expire after a certain time. So if you do have the chance to avail these coupons and get the discount, you shouldn't hesitate. Just go straight and dive into that and enroll in the course, because this would make it absolutely free. Now you would select take course, and here is the link. We'll just select this, and now you could see we have been redirected in here. So you could see it's the same instructor as here. You're being charged here. Here you are not being charged. This is free for you. Yes, you've only got 1 day left to avail this coupon. So there's only 1 day for this to be free. Now you could just select enroll now. This would direct you towards the checkout, and you could see this is absolutely free for you. So I would just select enroll now. You could see that this coupon has actually saved you $130. Okay, you would just enter in the zip code. Sorry, you have to give in your details, and then just select enroll now. There you go. This has been a success, and you could just select start course and jump right in and launch your social media brands if you like. And the point is, you straight away start learning. You've just saved $130 and you've got a whole well rated, a highly rated course for you for free. So that's how you're going to find the best free courses on Udemy using this website and using coupons.